Join us as we take on the challenge of achieving financial freedom while living on an average wage. Let's see if it's really possible. In this video, we'll explore practical strategies to achieve financial freedom, even if you're earning an average wage. Let's set the stage for a journey towards financial independence. Many people believe that financial freedom is only for the wealthy, leaving those on average incomes feeling stuck. This mindset can be limiting and prevents many from taking control of their finances. Financial freedom is often associated with luxury and wealth, but it's actually about living below your means and being intentional with your money. People on average wages face unique challenges, such as tight budgets and limited financial resources. Despite these challenges, it's possible to make progress towards financial freedom with the right mindset and strategies. Financial freedom requires a shift in mindset and a willingness to make small changes to your daily habits. It's about being mindful of your spending and making conscious decisions about how you allocate your resources. People on average wages often feel like they're just getting by, but with a few simple tweaks, they can start building wealth and moving closer to financial freedom. The key is to focus on what you can control and make the most of the resources you have available. Many people on average wages feel like they're not earning enough to make a significant impact on their finances. However, it's not just about how much you earn, but also about how you manage your money. By prioritizing needs over wants and making smart financial decisions, you can start to build momentum towards financial freedom. It's essential to have a clear understanding of your financial situation and make adjustments accordingly. We'll delve into actionable steps you can take, including budgeting, saving strategies, and side hustles that can enhance your income. Each strategy will be tailored for those on an average wage. Budgeting is a crucial step towards financial freedom, as it helps you understand where your money is going and make conscious decisions about how to allocate your resources. By creating a budget that works for you, you can start to make progress towards your financial goals. Saving strategies are also essential for building wealth and achieving financial freedom. This can include setting aside a portion of your income each month, taking advantage of tax-advantaged savings options, and avoiding debt. By being intentional with your savings, you can start to build a safety net and make progress towards long-term financial goals. Side hustles can also be a great way to enhance your income and accelerate your journey towards financial freedom. The key to making progress towards financial freedom is to be consistent and patient. It's not about making drastic changes overnight, but rather about making small, incremental changes that add up over time. By focusing on progress, not perfection, you can start to build momentum and make significant strides towards your financial goals. Consistent small changes can lead to significant financial improvements, and it's essential to celebrate your successes along the way. We'll share inspiring success stories of individuals who have achieved financial freedom on an average wage. These stories will highlight the challenges they faced, the strategies they used, and the mindset shifts they made to achieve their goals. By learning from others who have achieved financial freedom, you can gain insights and inspiration to help you on your own journey. These success stories will demonstrate that financial freedom is achievable with dedication and smart planning. To wrap up, we'll summarize the essential strategies discussed and reinforce that financial freedom is achievable with dedication and smart planning. By applying these strategies and maintaining a committed mindset, you can start to build wealth and move closer to financial freedom, even on an average wage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos on personal finance tips and tricks. Share your thoughts in the comments and support our channel so we can keep bringing valuable content to this amazing community.